Welcome to the TD Insurance Melash Modex program, distributed by TD Insurance Direct Agency. If you're calling about a new or existing claim, press 1. If you're calling about a new or existing car policy, 2. If you're calling about a new or existing home policy, 3. If you're calling about travel insurance, 4. If you know the extension of the person you wish to reach, if you currently have home insurance with us, please press 1. If you do not have home insurance with us and would like to obtain a quote or an insurance policy, please press 2. If you require a copy of your proof of insurance or a tax letter, or if you have a billing or payment inquiry, please press 1. Otherwise, please stay on the line. Our wait times may be longer than anticipated. Did you know that you can easily and securely manage your billing 24/7 on My Insurance, including updating your credit card or banking information and changing your payment dates? It only takes 3 simple steps. Step 1, accept a link to My Insurance via text message. Step 2, navigate to our online services page to log in or create your My Insurance account. Step 3, select My Billing to review and make changes to your payment details. If you are calling from a mobile phone and would like to receive the link to access our online services via text message, press 1. Otherwise, please press 2 to remain on the line. We distribute the products of Security National Insurance Company, Primum Insurance Company, and TD General Insurance Company. Please note, inbound and outbound calls may be recorded for training purposes, to enhance customer service, security, and to confirm our discussions with you. All our client service personnel are busy. Please continue to hold as your call will be transferred to the first available representative. Thank you. Did you know you can now buy car and home insurance online in just minutes? Same great insurance, brand new way to buy. Just start a quote, customize your coverage, set up payment, and buy. Discover the simplicity of buying insurance online at tdinsurance.com. Looking to save big? Enjoy additional savings by bundling your home and auto insurance with TD Insurance.
Thank you for calling TD Insurance. My name is. In order to serve you better, can I have your first and last name, please?
First name.
You said the first name is right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me just pull up your account. You have an existing account or policy with TD Insurance?
Yes. Not currently existing. It will be ineffective from November 19.
Okay, can I have the policy number?
Yeah, it's
All right, actually just give me a minute. Okay, so this policy is under name, right?
yes.
And is available?
Yeah, give me 1 second here. Hello?
Hi, so
Yeah. Good up. Yeah, right.
good afternoon. And I just need to authenticate the account since you have a policy with TD Insurance. I want to ask you what insurance products or policies do you currently have with us?
Then you can test
Sorry?
it to my son because I have handed over all this thing to him.
I don't see that reflecting here. I just see your name as the account holder. So I just need to authenticate the account with you. Just wanted to ask you what insurance products or policies
It's
do
home
you have with
insurance.
us?
Home insurance.
Home. And how often do you pay your premium? How often will you be
One
paying
time.
your premium going ahead?
Annually.
Sorry?
One time annually.
Annually, right? Okay. And I have your permission to talk to.
Yes, definitely.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. That's all that I needed. Yeah, you can hand over the phone to.
Okay.
I would like to inform you that your call will be recorded for training purposes to enhance customer service, security, and to confirm discussions with you. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So what can I do for you today?
I got a message yesterday regarding the updates on an issue that I raised last week.
Correct. Yeah, I'm seeing the notes here as well. Yeah.
And so what's the news here?
So it says you requested a call review, and after the call review was done, there has been an update saying that there was no error from our end. So that is the update that I see on your account here, on this account, after the call review, because I'm just going over the notes made here.
That is not true though, because I have the recording of the call and the person on the line who was the one who made the deal for me said very clearly that after the discount is applied, it's going to be 660 for the premium, and then with tax, I don't know how she added tax. She didn't add the 8% tax. She added more than 8%, so the total came down to 700 something ish after tax. And when the invoice came to me, the premium before tax it's not 660, it's 692. So it's definitely not the same as what was discussed on the phone. And to have the invoice come to me, which is not what was discussed on the phone, that's not right there. And to say that there's no mistake on their end, I have the recordings to prove that. So,
I'm just going over the notes made here, right? Let me just read over the details. Just give me a few minutes. I'll just give me a few minutes, okay? So the call was done on the 23rd of October. Okay, yeah. So yeah, so the recording was done, and at the 50th minute mark, this is based on the notes I'm seeing here, okay?
Okay.
I'm just letting you know the update after the call review that was done by the managers here. It says at the 50th minute mark, the premium was given to you before taxes, and then with taxes it was for a total of 747.36. So that was mentioned on the call, and you had agreed to it, and you gave your credit card to pay for the same. And let me check.
Yes, I agreed to Here's the thing though, because at the time, see, they only mentioning the total that I agreed to. What they didn't mention is the other stuff, which is before tax, after discount, it's going to be 660. That part has been left out in the notes. And also, I'm showing here 692, which is different. And two, so that's the first issue here. Second issue is I agreed only because when presented the calculation to me, she said 660, and then with tax it comes to 700-ish. That's like 13% tax, which is not correct. That should have been an 8% tax, because I was told later that as a tax for home insurance it's 8%. And the only reason why I agreed to it is because I thought it was 13% tax and not 8%. Had I known it was 8%, I would have asked her, please clarify how is 8% on 660 a little lower than what she presented. So there was two incorrect information that was presented to me at the time.
So you were under the impression that the taxes would be at 8% and not 13%. Is that what you just?
No, the other way around. I thought the tax was 13%. So when she said 660, I applied 13% on it. It came out to be roughly close to the same value. So I thought, oh, it's okay, fine. But later on, I was told that no, that's the actual tax is 8% and not 13%.
So 8%. When you said later on you got to know that the tax is 8%. Did somebody tell you about that?
Yes. It was in the online messaging. There was back and forth. They said that the home insurance is 8% tax and not 13% tax. But when I spoke on the phone, the way the questionnaire showed it to me, it was more like 13% and not 8%. So there's two accounts there's two misrepresentation over there. One is the tax percentage rate, and the other one is the premium after the discount and before tax. If it's going to be much of a problem, it's okay. I'm just going to cancel this deal here. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to do it under the security, under the home insurance.
Yeah, because what I see here is that, just like I said, right, I know you spoke to there on the 23rd, and then there was a call made for a call review, which has been completed, and based on that, I mean, whatever was told to you over the phone is exactly what the system shows as well, and it was the correct information. So there was no error on our end clearly mentioned here by the manager.
What was told to me was 660 before tax. And what is showing me on the invoice here, it's 692, which is not the same, so there's an error there.
So, invoice the monthly will be 660 before taxes.
Okay, since it sounds like much of a trouble here, I think I'm just going to get another insurance and then I'm going to come back and cancel this one. If I cancel it on the day before November 18th, I should be okay, right?
Correct, yeah. So it says that the 660 before tax amount was given if you qualified for the multi-line discount. But there is no multi-line discount, right? Since you only have your house policy. Right?
She said after everything is applied, it's 660 before tax. That I have a recording. I can prove it to the court. If I have to go to the court, I can prove that.
All right, okay. Yeah, so that's the update I see here at our end based on the call review that was done. It says that there is no error found. But yeah, going back to your question when it comes to if you cancel it before it gets renewed, yeah, there will be no fee.
So if I cancel on the November 18th, there's going to be no fine, nothing, right?
Correct, yeah, because your policy hasn't even started, right? So that's
okay. I will shop around all the events, and also I will take it to the court. Okay, all right.
No worries. Thank you for choosing me.
Bye.